In the last section, we installed a third-party library called Moment.js so that we can highlight the current day. We installed Moment by using the command npm install at the terminal. But back on track for now. Our goal is to get the current day at the top of our list, which is what we're going to use Moment.js for. Our index.js file, over here on the left, currently uses a constant list of days for the week. But it's in a fixed order, right? It's always going to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. So instead of using that constant, we'll use Moment to generate our list of dates. Let's begin by deleting the constant. Don't need that one anymore. Then inside of the days function, we're no longer going to map over the days array as we've done previously. Instead, we're going to use a good old-fashioned for loop. So I'm going to delete all the code in here. And our for loop is going to create our list of day items for us. So we'll initialize a day items array, and then we'll create our loop. We're going to loop through 7 times, and we're going to increment the index each time. Then inside of the loop, we're going to figure out what the current day is and format it appropriately using Moment. So we'll create a new variable called day. We'll call Moment, and then we'll add a certain number of days. And that certain number of days is going to be equal to the number of times we've already looped through our for loop. So it's going to start off with I days. Next, we'll format the output of that with DDDD, which returns the full length day. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. If we didn't format the day like so, it would just return a raw Moment object, which doesn't really have any, it doesn't really give us the ability to display anything using it. Oops. So that now that we know which particular day it is, we'll add to our day items array. So we'll push to it a new instance of the day item component. And in this case, our day is going to be equal to the day we just calculated. Next, we're going to add one more property in here, and I'll show you why in just a minute. We'll call it days until. And this will be I, or the current number of days until this day comes to pass. And then we'll go ahead and close this tag. So this days item, or excuse me, this days until right here, for me today is Saturday. Like really the day I'm recording this is Saturday. So my loop, the first time it runs, is going to return Saturday right here. And the days until that will be 0 because it's today. And it's the first time that the loop is running. Tomorrow for me is going to be Sunday. So my day will be Sunday, and days until will be 1 because it's one day until it's going to be Sunday, right? So next, we're going to just return our newly created days items array, like so. So let's go ahead and save this, and let's refresh. Cannot find variable day items. I mistyped right here. We have days items, and days items. Cool, so I'll save, we'll refresh, and looks good. So for me, today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and the last day is Friday. So now at the top of the list is the current day. So we'll do one last thing in the next section, and that is make use of this days until property in a clever way. So I'll catch you there.